Imagine a world without dance. A world devoid of the rhythmic swaying of bodies, the expressive gestures, the soulful connection between movement and music. It's a bleak picture, isn't it? Dance as an art form has been a cornerstone of culture and education across the globe. It has the power to transcend boundaries, foster creativity, and promote physical health. Early morning on the 29th of April, International Dance Day, the air in International Delhi Public School in Gurugram was charged with anticipation. The students, dressed in their vibrant costumes, were a sight to behold. To their hard work and dedication, a brilliant showcase of the school's emphasis on holistic education. Post the assembly, a series of workshops were held, each focusing on a different dance form. From the energetic Bhangra to the graceful ballet, from the rhythmic hip-hop to the traditional Kathak, the school corridors were alive with music and movement. Students learned not just the steps, but also the history and cultural significance of each dance form. In the afternoon, a special guest, renowned contemporary dancer Ananya Chatterjee, conducted a masterclass. Her eloquent movements and insightful teaching left the students spellbound. They learned not just about technique, but also about the discipline and passion required to excel in this art form. The day concluded with a heartwarming performance by the school's special needs students. Their dance, filled with joy and determination, was a poignant reminder of the inclusive nature of dance. The applause that filled the room was not just for their performance, but also for their spirit. International Dance Day at International Delhi Public School, Gurugram was more than just a celebration of dance. It was a day of learning, exploration, and most importantly, joy. The students not only honed their dancing skills, but also gained a deeper appreciation for this beautiful art form. So, the next time you see someone dancing, remember, it's not just about the steps or the rhythm, it's about expression, culture, and a shared human connection. And that, dear listeners, is the